Breaking developments coming in. Times Now has accessed CCTV footage of an accident that took place in Delhi late last night. This happened in the South Delhi part where a speeding BMW crashed into a Ciaz car, and it is said to have injured at least 4 people who were out for a evening walk. Such was the intensity of this clash that the people were thrown up in the air. The CCTV footage of that incident has been captured. It is right now playing out on your screen, so you can see the BMW speeding away, and it is said to have rammed into a Ciaz. This incident is from South Delhi, and this CCTV footage is from one of the houses near the accident spot. Priyank, what do we know about the culprit and the victims?
See, the culprit was a lady driver who was driving her family vehicle, and she was running a vehicle at a very high speed. There were 4 people who came from Kolhapur who were staying in the hotel, and after having dinner they had come out for evening walk, and because of the impact of the accident which happened with this BMW with a stationed vehicle, Ciaz car, these people fell under the impact, and because of that one of the victims flew in the air. All 4 of them, Priya, have been admitted at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, where they are being treated. We asked the query to the Delhi police that whether the driver of the vehicle was on an intoxicated state or not. So the medical report has not suggested so far. But when we had gone to the spot, we could easily see that the buckles of the belt of the vehicle, the seats were buckled from the backside, which means that the driver was not only rationally driving, but she was also had not buckled up the belt properly, because of which she has also sustained injury. The Delhi police have filed FIR under the relevant sections of Indian Penal Code. But time and again, what we have been telling to our viewers again and again, that because of the laxity and the lapses in the Motor Vehicle Act, and it's so been negligible in nature, if you talk about the kind of stringent punishment is there, the driver is expected to get the bail from the police station itself.
Right, very shocking incident coming in there. Priyank, what do we know about the families of the victims in this case? Has anybody been contacted?
See, the family of the victims are in... Yes, they have been told to come here, and in fact few of them are there, but the victims are being treated at All India Institute of Medical Sciences Trauma Center, so we could not have access to go and talk to them. But what we have got to know from Delhi police, that the condition is out of danger, but certainly few of them are previously injured.
Right, shocking incident there coming in. 4 innocent people, unsuspecting people there who just stepped out of their hotel. Our reporter there telling us that they had come from Kolhapur. They were staying in a hotel. They had just stepped out for an evening walk when a BMW car being driven by a lady. We do not know her medical condition right now, whether she was under the influence of alcohol or not. That is yet to be determined, as Priyank was telling us. We see that a BMW is speeding away when it crashes into a Ciaz that was standing. It was a stationary car. It did not ram into another car coming from another direction or a moving car, which clearly shows that something must have happened for her to lose control. What really was that? We are not sure yet. Such was the impact of this collision that one of the 4 victims in this case was thrown up in the air. They've been now hospitalized. The lady who was not wearing her seat belt also sustained injuries, and everyone is currently undergoing treatment. Thankfully, so far, no casualty reports have emerged.